I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix chat setting in Among Us. To fix chat setting, you need to click on setting. From over here where it says censor chat, you can choose whether it's on or off. If it is off, that means all the rough word is going to be unblurred. But if it is on, then basically all the word which is a rough word is going to be blurred by Among Us automatically, alright? That is one thing you can do. And the other chat setting you can change is this. You can click on play, you can click on online, you can click on find game, and from find game you can choose free chat or quick chat from over here. Now quick chat means only like you can chat for a certain number of period of time, like for only 90 seconds you can chat. If you choose free chat, you can chat for however long you want. So you can choose whichever chat option you want and click on reload, play the game with that chat option. And if you want to host a game, you can click on create game. Over here, you can change the chat type. So it says free chat. If I create a game, the game is going to have free chat. If I want to have quick chat, I need to click on this and it's going to show me quick chat. If I click and confirm, then it's going to create a game with quick chat option. So these are the chat settings you can change or play around with. So I hope you understand how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future Among Us videos just like this. I'll see you guys next time.